Looking for sump pit installation in Strathcona County? At Kingstree Plumbing, we understand how important it is to protect your home from water damage. Our sump pit installation service helps safeguard your Strathcona County home from flooding, preventing costly repairs. In Strathcona County, we know that heavy rainfall and varying soil conditions can be a real challenge. That's why Kingstree Plumbing offers specialized sump pit solutions tailored to the unique needs of this area. We're experienced, reliable, and committed to your satisfaction. Keep watching to see why Kingstree Plumbing is the trusted choice for sump pit installation in Strathcona County.